Good morning, guys. It's Monday morning. It's so early. Everyone in my house is asleep. My hair from the Olaplex is so soft. This is waking up. Look at this. I don't have one knot, not one tangle, nothing. Awesome. It's pouring. It is pouring out today. What a crappy day. But I don't mind it. I actually enjoy a rainy day every now and then. I do. So I'm gonna make some coffee right now. Let's get over to the pantry. I'm actually gonna make some coffee right now. This is what I buy. Green Mountain Hazelnut. It's gotta be my favorite flavor. I truly love this stuff. So my ring light comes today. I'm excited about that. Jess's coffee cup lined up for this morning. I gotta get a mug. But yeah, the ring light comes today and I'm excited. It's a new week. Let's get it going. Okay, so I just got off my first morning call and ate this while I was on it. The peanut butter bar, fueling number 1, was so delicious. This bar, when you have it with that hazelnut coffee, I'm telling you, I don't know what the combination is, but it just sets me off. It is so good. So peanut butter bar. My goal today is to hit water because for some reason, I don't know if it was being down at the beach or what have you, but I just feel puffy. And we're rainy here today, so it could be that, but I didn't overdo the salt, so I don't know what that's about, but I'm feeling it. I know that Aunt Flo is going to be coming soon. I can't believe it already, so that could be part of it. I don't know, but my goal today is to up the water, so that's what I'm going to go do now. I'm going to go pour myself a big cup of water with some ice in it, sip it, finish my work, get dressed, and we'll see how the day pans out. All right, we'll see you guys at the next fueling. And the rain continues. We're at fueling number 2, guys. It's chocolate shake, water and ice. It's really gloomy out. It's cold. I threw on a jean jacket because I'm just feeling the chill today and I'm not putting the heat on. It's not anywhere near that. But you know, like when it rains and you just feel like, bleh, that's where we're at today. Do you see that big box behind me there on the floor? See that big thing? That is one of the gifts I got for Jess for our upcoming 10-year wedding anniversary. But I don't know if I should even show it or talk about it because sometimes he watches these videos. So I'm a little leery. But I have to hide it. So I think I'm going to actually hide it behind this couch. I'll never look there, but it's such a great gift. I opened it up because it was delivered, and oh my gosh, it blew my mind. So cool, but I'm gonna have to try to find a way to sneak. I think I can block him from this video, can I? I think that's maybe what I'm gonna investigate, and if that's the case, I'll show you. So let me have fueling number 2. I'll see you in a little bit. Guess what came? Ooh! The ring light. So I'm going to open this up, test it out, and see how it works. Because hopefully all these shadows and everything on my face won't be in the next clip. Let's see what happens. So I got the ring light up. It's so good. The lighting, I have no more dark shadows under my face. And when I used to watch back my videos, I'm like, oh my God, I am looking super old. But because the light up in this room is above my head, it would, put shadows on my face. So this is really cool. I love this. I'll do a review on it and show you everything at another time. But it is now time for the next fueling. And since it's raining and freezing here, we are going to have something nice and hot, such as tomato herb pasta. I'm not sure if this is a current something that you can get right now because a lot of their products seem to be out of stock. But if you can get your hands on this, get it. It's really good. Basically, it's little ziti marinara. Look at that. So good and so hot. I'm going to try it right now. And I put it in this mug. Isn't it cute? I love fall most of all. And I don't know what that is. Oh, piece of macaroni stuck on my cup. But it's so nice because you can hold it in your hand in a mug instead of putting it in a bowl on a freaking cold day like today. It's gonna keep me warm and on plan, and that's the goal. So I'm gonna sit back, enjoy this, go get myself another glass of water, and I guess that's where we're at right now. So let me go do that, and I'll see you at the next fueling. Today's moving really fast. What time is it already? It's after 1 o'clock already. Crazy. All right, guys. See you at the next fueling. All right, guys. It's a lean and green time. We have 7 ounces of cooked ground turkey, 99% lean. We have riced cauliflower and sugar-free ketchup. I'm going easy today, guys. I don't know. I'm just not feeling like I want anything crazy, but I want something filling, and this will do the trick because that's a lot of food. So, going to chow down. See you guys at the next fueling. Hey guys, we are at fueling number 5. I'm about to jump on a conference call now, so I'm going to just open this and eat it. Try to shove it down before my call starts. So I'll see you at the last fueling. Hopefully I'll be off the phone by then. It's getting late. Hey guys, we're at fueling number 6. It's almost 8 p.m. Still working. Is today ever going to end? What a busy day. So last fueling of the day. Peanut butter, 1 tablespoon of PB2 added to the creamy chocolate shake, water and ice. It's so good because my throat hurts from all of the talking today. I know I look horrendous. I'm sorry. It's just been that kind of day. All right. Well, thanks for sticking with me. And as always, remember, we can do this. Yes, we can, as long as we do it together. And just remember that. Together, we are powerful. Together, we can do this. We can accomplish anything. Jump into my Facebook group. I will link it in the description box for you. You'll get tons of support there. Tons of support and ideas and lean and green hacks and all kinds of things. Make sure you jump on. All right? I will see you tomorrow. Have a great day. Bye, guys.